Iloilo City, known to be the city of love, it is located in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. Iloilo is famous for its nature of foods and been recognized as the city of gastronomy by UNESCO. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you our experience in the most two popular restaurants here in Iloilo. So guys, our first stop is the famous and popular Tatis Manokan and Seafoods restaurant located in Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City. This is well known and popular for balikbayans and the visitors all over the country. The owner of this restaurant is Honorado Tiburon Espinosa, all known to be Tatoy. And he was a fisherman in the 1970s when he opened the restaurant, where he first set up the shop along Villa Beach in Arevalo. He started from a humble beginning, and now he is an inspiration. He only started with fish, and now he is well known for his barbecue darag chicken, which is the native chicken in Iloilo. Now, the restaurant has so many branches all around the city. Tatoy's restaurant offers popular, sumptuous local dishes that represent Iloilo's local flavors and unique cuisine. That includes dinuguan, boiled talaba, lechon manok, and so many others. That's why your visit in the Iloilo is not complete without eating in Tatis Manokan, as what most of visitors says. So let's try the food. Look at that, it's all empty now. Our next stop is the famous Breakthrough Restaurant. This restaurant is also located in Villa Arevalo, Iloilo City. But the restaurant in 1980s started in Haro, Iloilo City. They are well known for their seafoods and array of different cuisines. Now, check this out. This restaurant was started by the couple Mondi and Dade Robles. Now, the restaurant, same as Tatis Manokan, they have lots of branches all over the city. They offered fresh seafoods that you can choose, and it is popular for family affairs and balikbayans as well. So we're here right now and experience the view, and of course to taste the foods as well. Wow, it was a sumptuous meal, and everybody, the family, enjoyed the food and the view. So, if you say to compare both Tatoys and Breakthrough, both of them, I give them 10 out of 10. Every restaurant within the two is incomparable, and every restaurant has different, unique when it comes to food and the place. So, to cut it short, these two restaurants are highly recommended to all the visitors who would visit Iloilo. So, once again, I hope you enjoyed what I've shared. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now, and have a good day from Manong TV. Cheers!